Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I'm here to talk with you about downloading the approved screen recorder for Mannheim Central High School. This is the screen recording app that the tech department at the high school has verified is acceptable for student use. As we know, the Schoology screen recorder is not going to work for our class at this time until there is a further update. So with that, I'm going to lead you through how to download and use the screen recording app that the school approved. So if you go into Google Chrome and you type in the search bar Google Chrome extensions, in the Google search, it will bring up Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and open up the Web Store. It will bring you to the Web Store front. In the search bar, you're going to type in Screenappio, just like I have here. And online screen recorder will be the extension that pops up. You're going to want to click that. It'll bring you to this screen. Mine says remove, but yours is going to say download or something of that nature. Go ahead and click the button. Once you have it installed, you're going to have to allow it to have access. Once you have it installed, you're going to be able to go up to this piece that looks like a puzzle piece. This is where you can find all of your extensions, and this pin allows you to add it to the taskbar here. So I already have mine added, so I clicked it and it opened up the website. I then went and logged in. I prefer to use Google since it saves all of my passwords. So I logged in using Google. You may need to create a new user profile, but I do recommend using Google. Once you are logged in, as you can see, I don't typically use Screenappio for my recordings. I use Screencastify or I use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm currently using at this time. But that is not approved by the school, so please do not go and search for those. As far as creating new recordings, I'm going to click here. It's going to bring up this screen. You're going to want to change it from screen only to screen with webcam, which is what mine looks like currently, as you can see in this video. And you're going to want to change it to microphone and audio. You're going to need to share your screen, so it's going to give you an idea as to what it would look like. You're going to hit share. Oh, sorry, you got to click here, then click share. Allow. And once you are done sharing, you can start recording automatically, or you can record on your own. At this point in time, it's not going to allow me to record because I'm already recording, but that would be the process that you would go through to start your recording. When it first starts up, you are going to be on this automatic screen. You would then switch to another screen to start your presentation, and then would have to switch back to stop your recording. If you have any questions about recording, please let me know. I would be happy to help you. Once again, this is an online class, so sometimes these things can be a learning process. But please feel free to contact me. I would be happy to help you with learning how to screen record, and I'm sure tech would be happy to support you as well. Alrighty guys, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.